My name's Camden. I've been working here at Pucks for 2 years now. Right now I'm working on the driver's side wing for the toolbar. This is a 12-hour job. I'm on the first hour of it right now. I'm really excited to see it completed.
Some of the things I like about working here is all the different material we use. And one of the main things I like building is pipe work.
This one, it's a rear end for a John Deere ripper. I like all the welding that it has on it.